Okay, awkward interruption. I'm back. Okay, so first thing you notice when you open this up, it's well packaged. Here I got a toxic cables wristband. This is really nice. Here. I get that focused. Toxic cables. It's nice wristband. I get two. Very nice. Thank you, Frank. Second one here. So two. Okay. So maybe more hands-on. The whole thing out of the box. Good packaging. Take it off. Okay, so get this the box aside, and this is the amplifier itself. It's aluminum. It's very nice. Top here has vents. There's a display here. Lots of buttons. They feel very solid. On the back, have power, USB, optical, RCA, balanced channels, and on the front is your balanced headphone output, and here's the single-ended 1/4 inch output. Plenty of buttons here. This controls gain, volume, there's filters, and DAC and preamplifier. So yeah, you can see the whole thing's black, and it comes with rubber feet so it doesn't slip. So that's about it. Unboxing. Have a nice